They're not just insects. They are nature's architects. And today, I'll show you why bees are some of the most important creatures on Earth. 1. Bees are creators of life on this planet. They pollinate over 75% of all flowering plants. Without them, there would be no apples, strawberries, watermelons, coffee, and even chocolate. Yes, even cocoa trees depend on pollinators. In nature, everything is connected. And bees are the invisible thread holding it all together. 2. One hive is a superorganism. A beehive isn't just a group of insects. It's a single living system, where each bee is like a cell in a body. There are nurses, foragers, cleaners, guards, and even living air conditioners, flapping their wings to cool the hive. It's a system that works flawlessly, without a leader, without orders, just instinct, coordination, and chemical signals. 3. Honey is not just food. For bees, honey isn't a treat. It's winter survival fuel. When flowers disappear and the world freezes, they rely on honey to stay alive. To produce just 1 kilogram of honey, bees must visit over 5 million flowers, and fly more than 150,000 kilometers. That's like circling the Earth 4 times, all for a jar of honey we buy for a few dollars. 4. The queen doesn't rule, she serves. Many think the queen bee rules the hive. But that's not true. She makes no decisions. Her only job is to lay eggs, up to 2,000 per day. The other bees feed her, clean her, and protect her, but only while she performs well. Once her productivity drops, the workers kill her and raise a new queen. Harsh? Maybe. But in the bee world, the colony comes before the individual. 5. Bees have incredible memory. A single bee can remember up to 50 different flower routes. She returns to the richest flowers, and avoids those that are empty. Her brain is the size of a sesame seed, yet it can handle navigation, memory, and learning. Scientists have even taught bees to recognize human faces, geometric patterns, and even understand the concept of zero. 6. Bees have a secret language. They don't talk with sounds, they dance. When a bee finds a rich patch of flowers, she returns to the hive and performs a waggle dance. This dance shows direction, distance, and even nectar quality. It's the oldest navigation system in nature, created long before GPS. 7. Bees heal each other. Yes, bees can care for the injured. Researchers have seen bees feeding weaker or hurt members, and even cleaning wounds. It shows that compassion isn't just human. Even insects can cooperate, protect, and care. 8. Bees have deadly enemies. One of their biggest threats is the varroa mite, a parasite that feeds on bees and spreads deadly viruses. There are also murder hornets that can wipe out an entire hive in hours. But bees have evolved a defense. They surround the enemy and cook it alive by vibrating their bodies and raising the temperature to 47 degrees Celsius. Pure biological warfare. 9. Bees sense Earth's magnetic field. Just like birds, bees have a built-in compass. They use the Earth's magnetic field to navigate, returning to their hive from miles away. It's more than instinct, it's natural GPS. 10. Without bees, we don't survive. This isn't just an ecological problem. It's a global food crisis waiting to happen. Without bees, crop yields would drop by 40 to 60%. Prices would skyrocket. Diversity would vanish. Albert Einstein once said, "If the bees disappear, humans will have only 4 years left to live." Whether or not that's true, one thing is certain, our future depends on theirs. Bees teach us more than science. They show us how to build, how to cooperate, how to survive through unity. And maybe most importantly, they remind us that sometimes, the smallest things hold up the world. If this video opened your eyes, hit that like button. Subscribe and tell us in the comments, which bee fact surprised you the most.